Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hayle Olson. I upload videos every Monday, every Wednesday, and I'm trying to do Fridays as well. Fingers crossed. But for today's video, I'm going to be opening up Erin Condren's fall seasonal surprise box with you guys. And not only am I going to be opening it up on camera, but I'm also going to be giving one away to you guys as well. So stay tuned to the end to figure out how you could win one of these seasonal surprise boxes. Especially because they're sold out and you can't get them anymore. I have an extra one that I bought to give away to you guys. So without further ado, let's open this box up and see what Erin Condren has surprised us with this season. Alright, so this is the fall seasonal surprise box, and on the top of the lid it says start each day with a grateful heart. And these boxes are reversible, so you can turn them inside out so you can use them for other purposes besides just packaging. So real quick, just looking at this card, there are 7 items in this box and 5 of them are exclusive. So the majority of this box you will not be able to purchase on the Erin Condren website at any time. They're only available in the surprise box. So whoever wins this box is going to get some really awesome exclusive items. Okay, let's open this up. So right away on the top we have this mechanical pencil. It is 0.5 millimeters, and I don't believe Erin Condren has sold any other mechanical pencils before now. And I believe, let's see, this is a sneak peek, so they will be offering this on the Erin Condren website to the public for purchase. I'm hoping that this is a really good pencil. I've heard that it's a decent one, that this lead is really smooth in it. I'm not personally a pencil person. I love pens, but you know, pencils are handy every now and then, and I'm excited to have this one. Okay, next up I see 2 sticker sheets. Let's go over this first one to begin with. So the first sticker sheet is with some of their puffy stickers. Erin Condren just recently released their first set of puffy stickers for back to school season, and these ones are all fall related. So we've got a maroon colored pumpkin, there's a black and gold leaf, a piece of pumpkin pie, one that says hello fall, it says grateful, trick or treat, and they've just got fun little things. There's a little peacock feather, just fun little stickers for the fall season. And then after the puffy stickers, we have a set of metallic stickers as well. So this sticker sheet is themed with black and gold and maroon and navy and a little bit of tealy kind of darker green as well. These are just some fun stickers for fall. And both of these sticker sheets are exclusive to the seasonal surprise box, so you won't be able to get these on the Erin Condren website. Next in the box is this exclusive, so you won't be able to get this either, Erin Condren asterisk clutch. So this clutch is in the maroon color. Again, I'm absolutely loving this purpley maroon color for the fall. It's very fun, and this clutch could be used for so many different things. It's got their peacock print inside along with that maroon purpley background color, and this is just a fun little thing to have. It's not a planny pack, it is a clutch, so you could use this for multiple purposes, whether it's holding your pens or pencils or just using it as a clutch for every day. Next up we have this scalloped sticky note pad. So this is literally just sticky notes, and I've never seen anything like this on the Erin Condren website, and this is an exclusive item as well, so you won't be able to get this unless you've gotten the seasonal surprise box. It's just a set of sticky notes, and they are sticky on the back side, but these will be fun just to have around, very helpful when planning or just around the house. Next up we have these seasonal cards. We've got one that says with a grateful heart, and then one again with that peacock print with the purpley maroon background. So these are also exclusive items to the seasonal surprise box. I love when they include little note cards like this. These are great for sending to friends as just because notes, and they also come with corresponding little stickers to help seal up and carry the theme throughout. So I love these little note cards. They're fun just to have, and because they're exclusive items, you know you're getting things that you wouldn't normally be able to get. Next in the box is this metallic washi tape, and this is a sneak peek, so you will be able to get this washi tape on the Erin Condren website. It's just got a pretty blue foil on it, and it'll be fun to use. It is a 16-foot roll, so there's quite a bit of tape in here for you to use and decorate your planner with. Last but not least, we have this exclusive interchangeable cover. So this cover is black and gold plaid. It has some gold foiling on it as well. This is great for the fall season. It ties in really well with the sticker sheet that they've included. So I'm really excited about this cover. It's always fun to get exclusive covers in your seasonal surprise box because once again, you wouldn't be able to purchase it regularly. So it's always fun to get little covers like this in the seasonal surprise box. So real quick, I wanted to mention that the two items that you will be able to purchase on the Erin Condren website are the mechanical pencil and the foiled tape. So these are the only two items you'll be able to purchase regularly. All of the other items were exclusive to the seasonal surprise box. Now that being said, I mentioned that I'm going to be giving away one of these boxes. When I purchased mine, I decided to purchase a second one to give away to you guys because you have been a fantastic audience and I love to give back to you guys. So if you would like to win the seasonal surprise box and get all these goodies, like I said, 5 of them are exclusive, so you won't be able to get them anywhere else. All you have to do is go down, comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. So I'll make sure to leave all the details down below in the description box as far as how long this giveaway lasts and when the winner will be announced, all that kind of stuff. I'll make sure to leave the details down below. But like I said, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. Other than that, that is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it and getting to see my reaction to all the different items within the box. It's always fun opening their seasonal surprise box because you know there's going to be something in it that you can't purchase on the website, and that is the reason that I love to receive them. Plus it's fun because you never know when it's going to arrive or what's going to be in it. It's just a little fun thing to get in the mail. If you guys enjoy watching my videos, please share them and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out as far as growing my audience and getting new subscribers. I would really appreciate it if you could do that for me. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.